It takes a ton of technology to transform a tree into lumber these days. I bet you didn't know. The whole process begins with our favorite renewable resource, a tree. And they arrive at one of our facilities and get inspected and debarked. Kind of like a potato peeler, but way bigger. And we use all that bark for other things, like fuel for the plant. To maximize efficiency, every log is then scanned and analyzed by a super smart computer to figure out how to get the most pieces out of each log with no waste. And then it's off to get sliced and diced. After a long day's work, our lumber is rewarded with a spa-like experience in a kiln. The lumber gets to relax here for the next 30 hours. Once it's all dry and rested, the wood is sent to the planer mill, where it's finished and trimmed to its final size. Finally, it's sorted and graded before it gets labeled, banded, and shipped all around the country. And that's how we make lumber, packed with over 90 years of evolution and innovation in every piece.